Hi, Shaylin with WTI. Have you heard about the cloud slippers? Everybody's seeing these viral cloud slides, but I will say there's none as comfortable as this CUSHIONAIRE brand. I absolutely love their feather cloud recovery slides. They are by far the most comfortable, and when I say I've tried a lot of brands, I have tried a lot of brands, but these by far are the most comfortable. They've got a great molded cushion footbeds. You can see how cushy they are on my concrete floor. Look at how soft, and they're just so flexible. They're a great shoe. Don't look too close. Yes, mine are well loved. I do everything in them, and I've had them for a while. They're great for even doing my chores outside. I love to wear them to go outside and feed my birds. Just overall a great shoe, no matter if I'm inside, outside, standing around at a sink or a stove. I know that it's going to help the fatigue in my feet, even my legs and back. They're just a super comfortable, super lightweight, waterproof shoe. So you can see my CUSHIONAIRE slides are well loved. I wear them for everything, whether I'm just around the house on my concrete floors, or if I'm doing chores outside, or even a DIY project. They're so comfortable. They help my feet from hurting, and even my legs and back don't ache near as much when I wear these. So I love them. They're cute enough to wear out, but I think I'm gonna have to get a new pair. But I think you should also, and that's my point of view.